Calcarea sulfurica, Allen's keynote. Mucus discharges are yellow, thick and lumpy. Such discharges are found in coryza. Sees only half of an object. Blisters like sore on lower lip. Tonsillitis with suppuration. Dysentery with pus-like slime. Chronic nephritis, chronic syphilitis, gonorrhea in its suppurative stage, suppurating chilblain, burns and scalds when suppuration takes place, vitiligo when suppuration has begun. In point of fact, it is called for in all kinds of cases after pus has found a vent. Better in open air, better walking in it, desire for it, dry eczema in children, cystic tumors, polypus. Follows well after Calimore, natrum sulf, silicia. Calcarea sulfurica, boric materia medica, sulfate of lime, plaster of Paris. Eczema and torpid glandular swelling, cystic tumors, fibroids, suppurative processes come within the range of this remedy after pus has found a vent. Mucus discharges are yellow, thick and lumpy. Lupus vulgaris. Head, scald head of children if there be purulent discharge or yellow purulent crust. Eyes, inflammation of the eyes with discharge of thick yellow matter. Sees only one half of an object. Cornea smoky, ophthalmia neonatorum. Ears, deafness with discharge of matter from the middle ear, sometimes mixed with blood, pimples around ear. Nose, cold in the head with thick yellowish purulent secretion, frequently tinged with blood. One-sided discharge from nose, yellowish discharge from posterior nares, edges of nostrils sore. Face, pimples and pustules on the face, herpes. Mouth, inside of lips sore, tongue flabby, resembling a layer of dried clay. Sour, soapy, acrid taste, yellow coating at base. Throat, last stage of ulcerated sore throat with discharge of yellow matter. Suppurating stage of tonsillitis when abscess is discharging. Abdomen, pain in region of liver in right side of pelvis followed by weakness, nausea and pain in stomach. Stool, purulent diarrhea mixed with blood, diarrhea after maple sugar and from change of weather. Pus-like slimy discharge from the bowels, painful abscesses about the anus in cases of fistula. Female, menses late, long-lasting with headache, twitching, great weakness. Respiratory, cough with purulent and sanneous sputa and hectic fever. Empyema, pus forming in the lungs or pleural cavities. Purulent, sanneous expectoration. Catarrh with thick, lumpy, white, yellow or pus-like secretion. Extremities, burning, itching of soles of feet. Fever, hectic fever caused by formation of pus with cough and burning in soles. Skin, cuts, wounds, bruises. Unhealthy discharging pus that do not heal readily, yellow purulent crust or discharge, purulent exudations in or upon the skin, skin affections with yellowish scabs, many little matterless pimples under the hair, bleeding when scratched, dry eczema in children. Relationship, compare Hepar silica. Dose, second and third trituration. The 12th potency has been found effective in lupus.